One blanket goes in the cup?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes or yeah?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No, yeah.
Not yeah. Can you cover the baby? Baby's crying now.
Wow.
Can you say, don't cry, baby?
Don't cry, baby.
You're a big girl now. Mommy's going to cover you with a blanket.
No.
Who is going to cover the baby?
Me.
You're the baby's mommy? You're not the baby's mommy?
No.
Who is the baby's mommy?
Me.
Don't cry, baby. Can you say, don't cry, baby? What are you going to do? Sing happy birthday to the baby? Happy birthday to who? To whom?
Mommy.
Can you sing it? Uncle, can you sing it? Happy birthday to mommy?
I'll put it up.
What are you putting up?
The cups? Can I have some apple juice?
I made it.
You made it.
It's all in the straight line.
Go over there.
Who?
Mommy.
Why? No, I don't want to sit on the floor. I want to sit on the carpet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Can you sing happy birthday to Maya?
What's that?
That's my toenails.
Toenail?
Yes.
Ah.
Do you have toenails?
Yes.
And what color are my toenails?
Purple.
Purple.
What color are your toenails? What color are your toenails?
Pink.
They're natural.
It's natural. Let's change this here. Let's change this here.
You want to sing Disneyland? What's that song? Can you sing it? I don't know it.
I know it.
I don't know it.
I know it.
You know it?
What, how does it go? Can you sing it? What else?
Jingle bell.
Jingle bells.
Disneyland. Disneyland.
Oops. I'll put it back. This song is making me dizzy.
I'm already dizzy. Going like this. Oh, all done Disneyland. Uh-oh. What happened?
He's gonna get you! No, come here. You're going too far, baby. I can't reach. I can reach you right here. I can reach you right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, what's that? What's there?